What does UWU mean?
Hello and welcome to today's video. Today, we are diving into the internet lingo of emoticons, specifically one that you might have seen popping up a lot lately, and that's UWU. So, let's get started.
What is UWU?
First off, UWU is not an acronym but an emoticon. If you've been around internet communities, particularly in the realms of anime, gaming, and social media, you've likely come across this peculiar combination of characters. But what does it mean? UWU is a popular emoticon among the online community, which symbolizes an expression of delight, adoration, or excitement. It's commonly used in reaction to something cute or that brings the user joy. The U's in the emoticon represent closed eyes, while the W in between is akin to a small, happy mouth or a cute, button-like nose. The whole emoticon has a very wholesome, joyful, and sometimes even a bit cheeky connotation.
Where is UWU used?
UWU is broadly used across a variety of digital platforms. From online gaming chats and social media comments to digital artwork captions and even in text messages, UWU has infiltrated all facets of online communication. The use of UWU is quite prevalent in communities that enjoy manga, anime, K-pop, and various video games. It's also common in communities where cute, or kawaii, culture is prevalent. The emoticon is used to express positive emotions like surprise, happiness, excitement, or admiration, typically in response to something cute or charming. In some contexts, it's also used in a slightly flirtatious or playful manner.
How to use UWU?
Now that you understand the meaning of UWU and where it's used, let's talk about how you can use it in your online interactions. Imagine you are in a chat with friends, and someone shares a cute picture of a kitten. You can respond with UWU to express your delight at the picture. Or, if you are watching a delightful video that just warms your heart, you might comment with UWU to show your affection for the content. However, remember that it's a pretty specific internet slang term, so it might not be recognized or appreciated in more formal or less internet-savvy circles. And there you have it, the mystery of UWU decoded. Remember, language, especially online, is ever evolving. Emoticons like UWU are a fun part of that evolution, helping to convey emotions and reactions in a unique way. So, next time you see something adorable or heartwarming online, don't hesitate to drop an UWU in the comments. Hope this video has been helpful, and you now feel confident about using UWU in your online interactions. Stay tuned for more interesting explorations of internet lingo, and until then, happy chatting!